This is easy-ish.
This room, it used to be our dumping ground. It was dark, it was unfunctional. I hated it. There was stuff everywhere. No one used it properly. It was our home office, but I couldn't find any papers.
That's how I transformed this dark office into a multifunctional playroom.
Oh. So refreshing.
You look moisturized.
You look moist?
You
or
look
moisturized?
Moist. You look moist.
Going for the moist look. This thing is meant to store shoes, but if you ask me, it looks like a pretty sweet condo to store stuffed animals.
Can you draw a dog? Can you draw Ruby?
No kids don't know how to draw a dog.
Okay, it's definitely picking up some toys, but only a few at a time.
I'm mad about the toy vacuum.
You gotta get out the vacuum. You gotta find your hosiery that you don't want to wear
Well,
again.
we had to go buy that hosiery.
I bought it because I don't have knee highs. So you're doing all that work when you could just pick up the toys.
Just pick up the toys.
Just pick up the toys, people.
Only tricky part, my kids love playing with them and I find them all over the house, everywhere except the dryer. Do you find laundry just naturally piles up in certain areas? At my house, it tends to pile up at the top of the stairs, waiting for the magical laundry fairy to come and whisk it down to the washing machine. I'm the magical laundry fairy. Instead, pop a cute bin in those locations, so at least it looks tidy and you can easily scoop it up on laundry day.
Those squats. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there was a squat.
Bathrooms don't have a lot of space for furniture, but I made room for this little stool because they're sitting here for a long time during bath time, and it gets boring.
You done yet?
And like sitting on the toilet is not cute. Whoa, jacked on sugar. Did you have any splinter hacks that worked for you? If you did, let us know in the comment section below. If you like this hack, subscribe to our channel because we have a new video coming out every Friday. Oh! That's the shot, right?